Chapter 11, Section 4: Attacks, Counterattacks, and Signaling. Attacks and counterattacks. In the form of price cuts, advertising campaigns, market entries, and new product introductions, attack can be defined as an initial set of actions to gain competitive advantage, and an initial set of actions to gain competitive advantage in counterattack is consequently defined as a set of actions in response to attack. This section focuses on a key question: what kinds of attack are more likely to be successful? Obviously, unopposed attacks are more likely to be successful. Thus, attackers need to be aware of the three drivers for counterattacks: awareness, motivation, and capability. If an attack is so subtle that rivals are not aware of it, attackers' objectives are likely to be attained. One interesting idea is the blue ocean strategy that avoids attacking core markets defended by rivals. A trust on rivals' core markets is very likely to result in a bloody price war, in other words, a red ocean. In the 1990s, Netscape drew tremendous publicity by labeling Microsoft the Death Star and predicting that the internet would make Windows obsolete. Such a challenge helped make Netscape Microsoft's #1 enemy, leading to the demise of Netscape or its drowning in the red ocean. Motivation is also crucial. If the attacked market is of marginal value, managers may decide not to counterattack. Consider how China's Haier entered the U.S. white goods market. Although Haier dominates its home country with a broad range of products, it chose to enter the U.S. market in the most non-threatening segment: minibars. Minibars are compact refrigerators for hotels and dorms. Do you remember the brand of the minibar in the last hotel room you were staying? Evidently, not only did you fail to pay attention to that brand, but incumbents such as GE and Whirlpool also dismissed the segment as peripheral and low margin. In other words, they were not motivated to counterattack. Thanks in part to the incumbents' lack of motivation to counterattack, Haier now commands a 50% U.S. market share in compact refrigerators and has built a factory in South Carolina to go after more lucrative product lines. Even if an attack is identified and a firm is motivated to respond, it requires strong capabilities to carry out the counterattack, as discussed in our early section on resources. Overall, minimizing an opponent's awareness, motivation, and capabilities is more likely to result in successful attacks. Frontal, infrequent, and predictable attacks typically find rivals well prepared. Winning firms excel at making subtle, frequent, but unpredictable moves.